Kind of cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rejji for some of y'all who don't know, but like I said in the last video, if you watched, you can and you will get to know me. Simple. This look was inspired from the Saweetie and Nikita Dragun Mukbang. I don't know how to say it. The video that they did together, I really liked her eye look, so I tried to look it up on Google, Instagram, YouTube, but I could not find it anywhere. So I had to screenshot clips from that video to see what kind of eye look it was.
It's Nikita Dragun and
the Icy Girl Saweetie.
And today we're debuting a new segment, Slurps and Shades, introducing the brand new
24A hour pack. 24A artist pack. Got it on my lids.
So today we're not only swatching all the shades and playing around, but we're also doing a little bit of a mukbang because Miss Sweetie over here,
We're hungry. She hungry, so we gonna eat today, y'all.
I can't wait.
Girl, it was so much fun. And you know what I really like about it? It is hella pigmented.
What are you
Like,
wearing
you
on
see
your
this?
lip? Oh, pigment.
Pigment.
I like how you know how to swatch though.
And then I know y'all be doing this, right?
Which one? Yeah. I'm so proud.
I did pretty well, and I'm really happy about this eye look. I haven't played in color in so long, and color just does something to me. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just make sure you keep on watching. Let me pull up the picture. This is what we're working with today. I'm gonna put it on the screen. So I am going to be attempting to do Saweetie's or Sweetie's eye look. When I saw that video, I just wanted to do it for some reason. I don't know. But I'm gonna do it, I know that. So I'm gonna start off with priming my eyelids, and I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 410. This is an old one, which is why I just put it all over my eyelids like this. It's very important to prime your eyelids so the color goes on well and the pigment just shows up a lot better. Why did my ring light just turn? I'm gonna pat it in with this e.l.f. concealer brush. I think it is a blending brush or a concealer brush, one of those. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill and the Take Me Back to Brazil palettes for this look. So I can see her transition shade is pink, so I'm gonna add some pink. It looks bright. Let me see which one I should use. I'm gonna go in with this shade of pink right here for my transition shade, and I'm just gonna place it there first, because if you just automatically start blending, the color just doesn't go on as well. You feel me? So now, like, that's basically the outline that I want. Hers looks very vibrant, so we're gonna keep adding, because I am darker than her too, so. Okay, so I'm done with the transition shade, and now it looks like, what should I do? So they cut the crease on her. I'm gonna cut the crease next. So I'm taking this NYX eyeshadow base. It is in the shade, it don't say, but in a flat brush, and I'm just gonna carve out my crease. Just cut it. I haven't done this in so long. Sometimes I just like trace it and then fill it in. So I'm gonna do that to the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and just fill it in. When I want to do color, I like to use this base because it is white and the color just shows up better versus when I'm using a concealer. This is the best it's going to get. Yeah, I haven't cut my crease in so long, so it does look a little off, but that's okay. So in the edges right here, it looks like it's like purple, dark blue. Yeah, purple and then dark blue. I'm gonna take this shade of purple right here and I'm gonna just put it on the edge. You know, I should really be using tape. I forgot to put tape, guys. So let's finish putting the purple. This pink needs to be added. I need a little bit more, so I am gonna go back in and just fix it up a little. So now it looks like there's some blue in here, and we're gonna take a dark blue and place it right there. I'm gonna go in with this shade of blue right here, and I'm gonna just put it in the middle. The light blue is gonna go right here, and then it's gonna be the dark blue fading into the dark purple. So I'm just gonna place it first, cause yeah, that's how she has it. And then I'm gonna blend it into the purple. The thing with color is that you have to keep applying, because the transition shades might get lost in the cut crease and the edge color. You know, I don't know the terminology, but you know what I'm saying. You don't want to put it too inside because the blue is pretty wide. Look, I don't know what I'm saying is making sense to y'all, but it makes sense in my head. I know the colors are looking a little harsh, but it's okay because we're going to go back in and blend everything when we're done. I think I'm going to do the yellow line last. I'm going to take a light blue, and it does look shimmery. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I will be using it for the rest of the cut crease. Try not to go outside. Actually, try not to go all the way to the top, because we're going to put yellow too, don't forget. I'm overlapping the dark blue, what I'm going to end up doing is taking a dark blue and putting it more into the purple. I'm just going to go fix the blue and the purple a little, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to take the same NYX base cream, and I'm going to place it along the, what did she do? Along the light blue and the dark blue parts, and then I will place my yellow right there. I don't want to mess up, so let's see. Doesn't have to be perfect because you are going to go over it with eyeshadow. Essentially, we're done. This side looks better than this side, but taking this, I don't know if y'all can see that, this yellow shade, and I'm going to place it in that line we just made. I'm really scared, but let's see. And I'm gonna go over the blue a little because I can just fix that. They may have used a yellow liner, but all I have is shadow, so that's what we got. I'm just gonna go through and put yellow on, and I will be back. I'm back, and I'm not gonna lie. That was kind of hard. And it's not perfect, but you get the picture. You get me. It looks like she has a little bit of shimmer on the ends, and I think I have a shimmery color for that. I'm gonna take this white color down here because it's like a little shimmer, and I'm gonna just put it on the ends like she has hers. Okay, I kind of messed up. I'm not gonna use this brush because I kind of messed up. It lost control for a second. It lost control. A brush that has more control. It's not enough shimmer, so I'm gonna fix it. But before we do that, I think she has some black winged eyeliner on. So I'm gonna put some black eyeliner. And I will take a little bit of this silvery eyeliner. Yeah, it's Ruby's Kisses. Got it from the Beauty Supply store. And I'm gonna put a little right here and spread it out to give that shimmer effect, period. Because the shadow wasn't doing nothing. Yeah, I think that kind of did something. Parlay. I'm gonna go take the tape off and I will be back. I'm gonna go do my normal face routine now, and we're gonna get back to the eyes because I'm not done yet. I know you see there's no lashes. We're not done till the lashes are on. You hear me? On. Alright, I'm back. I did my face, my lashes, and my lips off camera. But what I wanted to do for you guys, I wanted to do my bottom waterline. I'm going to take the same pink that I used in my transition and use it for my waterline. I don't think I really saw a color under her eyes, but I feel like this look needs it. So we're just going to add some pink. This shit makes my eyes water. Oh my god. Ooh, I'll apply a little bit of mascara. Okay, and that is the finished look. The pink on the bottom. This look is honestly, I'm lying. My camera is dying, so I'm about to switch to my phone because I'm not done talking to y'all. I'm not. I hate when this shit happens. Sorry for the quality change, but I'm on my phone now and I was using my camera, but it wanted to die, so I'm sorry about that. But this is the finished look. It wasn't, I hope you guys can see, it wasn't that hard, but it was a little tricky. With the yellow line part, that was a little tricky. It worked out in the end. I'll put it next to me. Tell me how I did. Did I do good? Did I do bad? Tell me. I really want to know. I enjoyed filming this video for you guys. Let me know if there's any other like celebrity looks or looks that you see that you want me to try, because I'll do it. Also, I will be on the lookout for more looks that I want to try, because I think I'm gonna make this a thing on here. Recreating celebrity looks or, you know, viral looks. I want to get back into eye makeup, and I told myself I would, and with quarantine, there's perfect time to do it now. My makeup is chef's kiss. Let me know if you guys want to see any other video. I already said that. Shit. What the am I gonna say next? What was I about to say? Oh. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see y'all in the next video.